Hey guys, John with Luxe here. Today I'm going to take you through the installation process for one of our Dodge Challenger rear reflector tint kits for the 2015 Plus Challenger vehicles. We're going to take this is our Dark Smoke Stealth film. It's going to match this plastic really well, and it's going to take care of this bright red reflector while still letting it be reflective. First thing I'm going to do is take our microfiber and prep spray, and I'm going to clean all around this area. This is on the rear of the vehicle, so it does tend to get pretty dirty. Let's see here. Wrap the microfiber around the squeegee, take it, wet the tip, and then drag that around the edges to get nice and deep into those crevices. This is a full coverage tint kit, so you want to make sure all that's really nice, really clean, to make sure that the vinyl adheres all the way around. You can see how much stuff was back there. I am going to go ahead and grab my heat gun. I'm going to use that just to evaporate the rest of that moisture there. And we will be using the heat gun later to cure the vinyl and to make sure it's fully wrapped into that gap. First things, we're going to take our tint kit, identify which piece. We're going to fold back and free a part of the overlay and pull it right off the backing paper. Now from here, I'm going to line up the top right-hand corner. I'm lining this overlay up with the bumper. It will be touching the plastic of the bumper all the way across the gap of the reflector. That way it wraps all the way down. Just tack it in place. Get this part in place, and there we go. Using gentle pressure, I'm just going to apply the front face of the vinyl. The air egress just helps me move the air out to the sides. And now we have the decal installed right over the face, and we need to get the edges and top taken care of. We're going to use our little green flexible squeegee that come with every kit and a little bit of heat. I'm going to heat up in the corner. I'm going to start right here in this corner and just feed the vinyl around into that gap. Notice I don't take the squeegee and run it this way. It might create wrinkles. So instead, I use a chopping motion, kind of chop into the light. Move over, do the same thing. Back into the corner, work my way down. Now we have a nice, tight bottom edge. Heat this up and really press down over that Mopar serial number. Should be able to read that perfectly. And then come back and do the top edge. At this point, if you heat the face of the vinyl, if there's any air trapped under there, it'll kind of bubble up, so you should be able to see it and press down.